What up, guys? Today I have this small little shift knob that came stock, and I bought a eBay JDM dildo shifter, you can call it. I'm gonna teach you guys how to take it off. Not that hard, just takes a bit, comes right off. And as you can see, this is a universal one. It comes with a couple under here, and you just simply put one of the little pieces that fits your shifting. See, as you can see in here, comes with a couple, and you just put the ones that fit, and then right after you put it on, you just put it in there, put it in here, and then you start putting it in. JDM or die, boy. You can see this is my 2000 Miata MX-5 project. It's rice, but you know, JDM or die. And after, you have your shift knob, pretty tight. You can see I got a steering wheel, looks pretty tight. Got my JDM sticker. But yeah, as you can see, it ain't that hard to install it. You can do it yourself. You don't need no skill. It's pretty easy. Show you guys how it looks from out here. Pretty nice. Ricer Miata. And your new wheels. But I mean, it's going pretty well. Well, I'll see you guys in my next video. You can see it ain't that hard to install. I'll catch you guys later. Subscribe.
Okay, it's rap back to my pulse flat. We keep it real.